Here's how you install a CALED2 module into any one of our path lights. This is the module. The socket's already complete on the module. You'll need the 2 stainless steel longer screws that come with it, a little thing of dielectric grease, and the cotton swab. We're removing the shorter, smaller screws. Do not need these any longer. Remove the hat. Take some grease on your swab and put it down inside the socket. This helps with any kind of moisture or condensation that might get into the socket. Take your module, snap it down into the socket. Next, you're going to take and push all the wires inside and line up the slotted area on the vase. I like to start one of the screws first. Once one screw is started, I slide it on place. Typically, when I'm doing this, I turn the fixture upside down. Much easier to work on it. Start the other screw into the hole with your finger. Once you get them down, I'm going to lean this to the side. Use my cast multi-tool screwdriver. Get your Phillips head bit. At this point, you want to make sure you center or line the vase up on the hat perfectly. Take it down snug. Do not over tighten. Finished.